Hey friend, my name is Angel the Pixel Guy. If you're new here, I cover the Google Pixel ecosystem here on YouTube. Next week, I will be flying to Washington D.C. And if you've ever flown before, you'll know that one of the most important decisions that you need to make is deciding what to put inside of your travel backpack. I've got everything that I will be traveling with here laid out on the table, so let's get to packing, shall we? For my backpack, I use the Samsonite Steadman 15.6 travel backpack. My mom gave it to me for Christmas back in 2019 or so. The bag has held up really well. I've traveled with it a bunch. It's my daily work backpack. It's got a laptop sleeve, a middle section where you're supposed to put most of your items. There's also a small divider in there. It's also got this front zipper that has a couple of little organization compartments and sleeves and stuff. There's this other front zipper as well, which is just a little pocket. I also like that this backpack has this strap, so you can easily put it on top of your carry-on and relieve some of the weight on your back while you're traveling. So let's fill this guy up. In the large back sleeve, I put my laptop. I use the Dell Inspiron 16 Plus. I bought this laptop because it has the graphics card, which helps for video editing. Otherwise, if Premiere Pro was able to run on something like my Pixel tablet, I probably wouldn't own this. I also usually will travel with a little folder because I'm traveling for work, and that's usually all that I'll keep in the big zipper. Most of my other things I keep in this larger main compartment middle zipper. On this inside divider, I keep my Google Pixel tablet. I also keep it protected with the Google Pixel tablet case. I appreciate the Pixel tablet while traveling because I'm able to download YouTube videos or music. And because I'm not using my phone to do all of my music streaming or watching videos, it helps my phone battery last longer while I'm traveling, so I don't really have any battery anxiety anymore. In this little compartment, I also like to keep my Amazon Kindle, which I keep in a little travel case. In this main compartment, I also keep my Nintendo Switch 2. I keep my Switch 2 inside of this Turtle Beach Playtech hard shell travel case that I got off of Amazon. I like that it keeps my Switch's screen protected and has all of these little compartments. I like that this is a hard case and keeps my very expensive Switch protected. I usually will just put this at the bottom of my backpack. I also like to travel with the Microsoft Designer keyboard. I also keep my mouse. This is a TechNet ergonomic mouse, which is meant to help reduce wrist strain. I also keep my Sony MDR M1s in here. These help with dialing in my audio whenever I'm editing. And then the last thing that I keep inside of this middle compartment is this little generic binder that I got off of Amazon. And I bought some paper that fits into it. It's nice and small for whenever I need to take notes. That's all for the middle compartment. In this front compartment, I'll keep a lot of my smaller things like my wires, my portable charger. For my dedicated power wall adapter, I keep the 67-watt Pixel Flex dual port charger. I like that it's got the 2 USB ports and that it prioritizes charging up your phone first and allows me to travel with just one power adapter. In terms of charging cables, I keep the Pixel Snap wireless charger. I also travel with my Pixel Watch, which I'll get to in a sec, but I keep the charger for it in here as well. I also travel with one USB-C cable from Google, just in case I need to charge up my Pixel Buds. In here, I'll also usually keep my power bank. I use an Anker power bank that is USB-C. It is a 10,000 milliamp hour battery. It's got a USB-C port for both charging input and output. It also has a USB 3.0 output port as well. This power bank has this little carrying loop, but the loop is actually USB-C cable. But yeah, I do like that, if you need to charge your phone, you've got your charger and your cable all in one. I also travel with a 2 terabyte SSD. This one is the SanDisk Extreme Portable SSD. I keep this again only because I am a YouTuber, so I'll keep my video files on here and stuff. But if you're not a YouTuber, obviously you probably wouldn't be packing one of those. And then in here, I'll usually also keep my Pixel Snap ring stand. I keep my toothbrush and toothpaste in here because I wear Invisalign. Speaking of Invisalign, I also always keep my Invisalign case in here as well. And then the last thing that I like to keep in this front compartment is a COVID mask, just in case you don't want to get sick. That's everything that goes in there. And then in this front zipper, I like to keep my pens and my highlighter. For my pens, I use these erasable pens called Friction Ball Clicker pens. I buy these pack of 3 that you can get on Amazon. I like that they're erasable, and I like that I can travel without pencils. I've got these pimple patches by Hero as well. I'll also usually travel with some Band-Aids, because you never know, just in case. These are just like some generic Walmart brand Band-Aids. I'll also travel with some like Pepto chewable tablets, just in case, and also some hand sanitizer. I just didn't prepare that for the video. But yeah, I would keep those in here for easy access, just in case. That's everything that goes into the backpack. And then obviously the most important thing when you're traveling is your phone. For me, I like to travel with the Pixel 10 Pro right now. We need phones for everything these days, so I never travel without it. I also travel with the Pro phone because it has the best selection of Pixel cameras available. On the back of the phone, I keep this cheap generic magnetic wallet that I got off of Amazon. And it's great for carrying like your ID and your credit card. I also will travel with my Pixel Watch 4. It's nice to be able to check the time without having to look at your phone. Also to be able to receive notifications. On the other wrist, I also will travel with the Google Fitbit Air. I really like this device because it is very light. And the battery lasts really long. So even if I were to be out and about and I say I forgot to charge the Pixel Watch and it dies, I still have the Google Fitbit Air always tracking my steps and all of my vitals and stuff. And also because the battery life is so long, if you're traveling for less than 7 days, you can leave the charger for it at home, which is really nice. And finally, I've got the Pixel Buds Pro 2. I really appreciate these for their noise canceling. So you can listen to music on planes at levels that aren't going to destroy your hearing. You can listen to music at lower levels and still have a good audio experience, which is good for your ear health long term. And to protect the buds, I have this Nomad leather case that I bought off of the Google store a couple years ago. And because Google hasn't changed the dimensions of the Pixel Buds since the original, I've been able to use the same protective case, which is nice. That is everything that I keep in my travel backpack. If you would like to pick up any of these devices or check them out, I will have links to all of them down in the description below. If you have any questions about anything, feel free to drop me a comment as well. And if you'd like to keep me in your algorithm, be sure to give this video a thumbs up. To continue watching, be sure to click on the left or the right. Thanks so much for tuning in. My name is Angel the Pixel Guy, and I will see you in the next one. All right, you take care now. Bye-bye.